Artificial sweeteners are used to replace sugar, creating lighter versions of a wide range of products. These include soft drinks, dairy products such as yogurts, baked goods, candy or confectionery, and desserts. There are many types of artificial sweetener, including saccharin, sucralose, aspartame, acesulfame K, polyols such as xylitol and sorbitol, and stevia, a plant derivative. Sweeteners can be many times sweeter than sucrose or table sugar, and a small percentage can replace a high sugar content. As such, bulking agents like sorbitol or maltitol and thickening agents such as CMC may be needed to create the mouthfeel, the viscosity and texture of sugar-based formulations. Bulking agents can be difficult to hydrate and solubilize due to their low density, which causes them to raft or float on the liquid surface. Once wetted out, they can be difficult to dissolve, often requiring heating of the solution when conventional mixers are being used. Thickeners may also agglomerate when brought into contact with water, requiring additional processing steps to disperse or filter out. A Silverson mixer can overcome these difficulties. As you can see here, the powders are rapidly wetted out and quickly become fully solubilized. Mixing can be carried out at ambient temperature, eliminating the time and expense of heating and then cooling the mixture. Small volumes can be mixed in tank with a batch mixer, while the Silverson Flash Mix is designed for bulk powder dispersion. Pre-mixing of ingredients isn't required, and they can be added at floor level, eliminating the need for conveying systems to get the powder into large tanks. The self-pumping mixer will rapidly hydrate and solubilize artificial sweeteners and a range of other ingredients, giving high-quality, consistent results time after time. Whatever scale you're working at, there is a Silverson mixer that can improve your process. Contact us today to find out more.